Performance summary, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. Improvement is the total seconds gained or lost since your baseline race. 21-day change is simply today's projection minus the projection from 21 days ago. 3 cards in a row at the top. They show improvement, how many seconds faster you are on 5K compared to your baseline. 21-day change, how many seconds changed in the last 3 weeks. And readiness, your score out of 100. Improvement equals baseline time minus current projected time in seconds. The baseline comes from the 5-tier detection cascade: race effort, sustained effort, discounted P10, adjusted median, or 25, 0 default C projection tile. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.